Training the subconscious in states within this gap holds profound, concise, and impactful implications for healing, personal growth, and transformation. Using focused awareness to reprogram triggers for greater self-awareness and empowered resilience to face life's challenges authentically. By accessing the deeper layers of the psyche, individuals can uncover and address unresolved trauma, fears, and limiting beliefs, unlocking hidden limitations that may be holding someone back from realizing their full potential and fostering holistic healing, integrating the mind's innate capacity for transformation. I applied the success mechanism to the idea of using waking state hypnosis and the state of prayer or gratitude to aid in the change work. In waking state hypnosis, Dave Elman's approach to hypnotherapy and waking state hypnosis found wide application in clinical settings, including the treatment of various conditions such as pain management, habit control, anxiety disorders, and psychosomatic or unexplained illnesses. His techniques have been utilized by practitioners worldwide for decades. Elman was dedicated to teaching and training others in the field of hypnotherapy. He conducted workshops and seminars to share his expertise and techniques, influencing generations of hypnotherapists. And then the state of scientific prayer, it's a concept popularized by Joseph Murphy. He's a pioneer in the field of mind power techniques. Murphy explores the idea that prayer can be approached as a scientific process grounded in principles of psychology, metaphysics, and coherence. By understanding and applying these principles, individuals can harness the power of their subconscious mind to manifest desired outcomes and improve their lives. Scientific prayer presents a methodical framework for engaging in prayer and spiritual endeavors, which is grounded in the fundamental tenets of psychology, metaphysics, and faith. As Joseph Murphy famously said, prayer is the most powerful form of energy one can generate. Prayer changes conditions. Through scientific prayer, we can harness this transformative energy to shape our destinies and realize our highest potentials. The ancient language of the subconscious uses images, metaphors, and allegory to communicate. Metaphors are highly effective communication tools, and by gaining access to different states of consciousness, the subconscious can be trained as a healing ally.